Hi friends. Today in the eighth session of Law of Torts, we'll speak about specific torts again. And today the topic which we are going to cover is nervous shock. So what is nervous shock? Nervous shock is nothing but the mental injury. When we speak about any mental injury to a person because of act of others in general or in public, so that is considered as a nervous shock in law of torts, but it's always not so admissible in law of torts. In the previous cases, it was discarded to be included in law of torts, but in the later jurisdictions, it was considered to be a part of law of torts. So, I would like to refer a case which is Victorian Railway Commissioner versus Kolta. In that case, it was held that the nervous shock is not considerable under the law of torts, while in the later cases, it was considered admissible. Such case is Wilkinson versus Downtown. In the case of Wilkinson versus Downtown, the nervous shock was found admissible. Actually, the fact was that somebody tell a joke to a lady that her husband lost his legs, and she, after hearing that, she has gone to nervous shock. And during the proceedings of this case, the court of law, it was admitted, it was found justified to give the compensation to such lady, and hence the nervous shock was found admissible. Based on the same fact, there is another case which is Dulue versus White and Sons, which also took the reference of Wilkinson versus Downton, and the person who suffered the mental injury, he was provided the compensation. There is another case which is Borehill versus Young. It is a 1943 case from English jurisdiction. The fact of the case is that there was a fisherman wife. She was carrying fishes in a basket, and she was just walking on a road. The lady was pregnant, and she, all of a sudden, while walking on the road, she listened some accident voice on the other side of the road, and sounds were there. Although it was on other side of a road, but when she seen that there was some blood coming out from other side of road, she enters into nervous shock, and during that she fell down and she lost her baby which was in her womb. So in that case also, there was held no liability to the persons associated, because it was, although it was a mental injury, but nobody has given that injury to her. It was she who in a false belief, she entered into the mental injury or the nervous shock. So in that case, they are held no liability. So such cases belongs to nervous shock, and you have seen that in the light of these cases, that where it is admissible and where it is not. So that is all for this session. Bye.